Hey friends, if you wish to fix Explorer.exe application error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first one is to restart File Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and then go to Task Manager. Let it open Task Manager. Wait till it loads. Now, if you don't find File Explorer here, you will find it if it's open. If you don't find it, you'll have to scroll down to the absolute bottom in background processes, but we see it here. So we'll simply right click on it and select restart. The next solution is to disable fast startup. So press Windows plus R to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. This will open the power options window. Click on choose what the power button does. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Select turn on fast startup. This should be unchecked. Make sure that it's unchecked, which means that you're disabling it. Click on save changes. Now this should help you fix the problem, but if it doesn't, then you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.